Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade strawberry jelly. Begin by gathering ripe strawberries, sugar, lemon juice, and pectin, and pre-wash jars. Prep the fruit by hulling and chopping to an even size for consistent cooking. Measure sugar and lemon precisely and keep a scale or measuring cup handy. Keep a small bowl of cold water nearby to test spoonfuls for set. Stay relaxed and enjoy the cooking rhythm. In this video, I will show how to make homemade strawberry jelly. Heat the strawberries to a rolling boil and add pectin as directed, stirring to dissolve. Count your boil time carefully and add sugar after the initial boil to avoid graininess. Use the cold plate test to judge set, adjusting cook time if needed until the jelly holds a soft mound. Remove from heat and skim any foam for a clear finish. In this video, I will show how to make homemade strawberry jelly. Quick recommendation: pick up the Owala water bottle for easy sipping while you spoon and stir. It's leak resistant and looks great on the counter. If you're finding this tutorial useful, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make homemade strawberry jelly. After sterilizing jars, ladle hot jelly into each jar and wipe rims clean to ensure a proper seal. Leave the specified headspace, fit lids, and process in a boiling water bath for the recommended duration. Let jars cool undisturbed until lids pop, then label with contents and date. Store sealed jars in a cool pantry and refrigerate after opening.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.